Did you watch the opening ceremony of the Winter Olympics in Italy? There was a message that really stayed with me. A message of love and unity and empathy and courage, particularly when Charlize Theron came onto the stage. It took me back to a fashion photo shoot that I will never forget. Years ago, when I was working as a fashion photographer, I had the opportunity to photograph Charlize Theron for a fashion story for Harper's Bazaar, Spain. She was amazing. From the moment she stepped on set, you could feel that there was something special. She was professional and she was focused, she was present, gracious with the whole team. As photographers, after a photo shoot, we review what's called a contact sheet, right? Hundreds of frames. And the job is to select the strongest images for publication. Well, usually you get rid of most of them, right? You're looking for that best one, the perfect frame, right? But this shoot was different. Every frame was beautiful. Every image was impeccable. And the challenge was to find the best one because they were all great. That experience is similar to the Olympic ceremony, which was a hell of a production, if you've seen it. If not, check it out. You see, excellence is not luck, it's preparation and discipline, showing up fully present every single moment. Whether it's an athlete, an actor, a model, a designer, greatness happens when talent meets professionalism, focus, and respect for the craft. Here are a few images from that shoot with Charlize Theron. So, enjoy. When you show up with excellence, consistency, and heart, every frame of your life gets stronger. And in fashion, just like in sport, the goal is to make every moment count. If you're building a creative career, remember, excellence is a habit. Design your future.